Buongiorno! We are looking at how to pronounce with the typical Italian pronunciation the name of this famous Italian lemon liqueur, mainly produced in southern Italy, especially in the region around the Gulf of Naples, also the Sorrentine Peninsula and the coast of Amalfi, and islands of Procida, Ischia and Capri, also in Sicily. So how do you say it with a typical Italian pronunciation? Limoncello. Limoncello. You do want to emphasize on the che part and the double L. Limoncello. Of course, do not say limoncillo. The C here is pronounced like CH. Limoncello. Limoncello lemon liqueur. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce many useful words from Italy. Produce, prosciutto, pasta types, pizza recipes, classic Italian traditional recipes, and many, many more. Arrivederci.